In this given question, we have y as sec x plus tan x over sec x minus tan x, and we have to find this derivative, that is dy by dx is what we have to find. Now, before we use derivative, we can simplify it first. Let's say we have this as sec x, y as sec x plus tan x over sec x minus tan x. So what we can do, we can first rationalize it. So for that, I'm multiplying, dividing with sec x plus tan x, and then sec x plus tan x. So this way we are getting y is equal to, this is sec x plus tan x square, and below is sec square x minus tan square x. What we know that sec square x minus tan square x is 1. So you can replace this with 1. This is going to be 1. So we have denominator as 1 or as 1 by default. We may not write anything. Now, if I apply derivative here, differentiating both sides with respect to x, so it's going to be dy by dx. So applying this property, that is x raised to the power n, derivative is n, x raised to the power n minus 1. So we can write 2 sec x plus tan x. That means like we have x square derivative is 2x. And by chain rule, we'll be finding the derivative of other, like for sec x, the derivative, sec x differentiation. As you can see, sec x differentiation is sec x tan x. So that is equal to sec x into tan x, that's by chain rule, plus tan x differentiation is from here, tan x differentiation is sec square x. Tan x differentiation is sec square x. So this is the main derivative part. You can now take common. I can see that common from here is sec x. So we can take sec x as common. So we'll get 2 sec x outside. Well, this will be as it is. That is sec x plus tan x. And here we are left with tan x plus sec x, which you may write as sec x plus tan x as it is. So we can write the square of this as well. So as I said, we can write the square of this. So I may write square and remove this. So this would be the answer for this after differentiation.